still in profits, I guess. It has a lower, what do we call it, RPM.
हिंदी में बात कर ले.
It has a better RPM.
Look at those pink shoes, Mina boys for life. Alright, hey everybody. Long time, very long time. Well, I know I've got a lot of explanation to do. Been absent for the past 8 or 9 months. Last time I uploaded was in July or August, I guess. And since then I've been gayab, like literally gayab. Not replying to messages, not being present at any rides or anything, and basically, you know, kind of underground or something like that. Well, to start with, yeah, it's recording. To start with, let's just start with July onwards. So I switched my job in July and I started working for a startup which is called as B-Bomb. It's a it's a YouTube channel basically. So it's a tech channel. I was responsible for video editing and, you know, kind of direction stuff over there. So I used to shoot and edit. So what happened was, it was a startup obviously, and it requires a lot of time. And boy, that channel's growth was just ridiculously awesome. I mean, touch wood. So they started in August at 0 subscribers and 1,000 subscribers, I guess. Yeah, they started in August, and by September or October they were about 100,000 subscribers. 100,000 subscribers in just September, October, November, December. 3 months. I guess 2 months, as far as I remember. There was just 2 months and there were 100,000 subscribers, all because of the content, all because of the, you know, big brains of my boss, all because of the thumbnail game and I don't know what all. But that channel has like pure quality content on their website as well as on the channel itself. I just didn't have any time to, you know, edit those videos, like any time at all. The Saturday was working as well, so I only got a single Sunday, and which obviously anyone would just enjoy their Sunday and not sit in front of a computer again. So I used to just enjoy my Sundays, and I had this thing in mind that I might not be able to continue my YouTube channel again ever. What happened meanwhile on YouTube was, people thought I was dead. People literally thought I was dead, and I got into an accident or something like that, and there were literally rumors of, I don't know who was spreading all these rumors, but there were rumors that pata nahi kya. I mean, people saw things in the hospital. I don't want to say all of these things about myself, but seriously, साले कुछ भी बोलते थे लोग. People were writing rest in peace, everyday India. So eventually, coming back to the story, I just did my job. I was doing a lot of good work, a lot of good video editing on the B-Bomb channel. So what happened at the end of the December, that I had to resign from that company due to some family reasons, due to some personal reasons. And eventually in December, on December 28th, I guess, I resigned from that company. And that was a very bad thing. I know, I still miss those people. If you're watching this, they're gonna abuse me down in the comment section. I'm bloody sure they're gonna abuse me. So yeah, I resigned from that company and I got into my own family business. All in all, what is that? It's a restaurant. So yes, I run a restaurant right now in Delhi. For anyone who is thinking that YouTube was my career, or I just stopped uploading and just because YouTube wasn't paying me enough. YouTube never pays you enough, ever. It's not about the video money or anything, but it's just that you just stop uploading. I just stopped uploading because I didn't have time, and I started uploading at the first place just because I had a lot of time and I wanted to create a lot of good videos, because obviously motorcycling is my passion. I love motorcycling. Now, as far as the future videos are concerned, obviously I'm gonna upload now. Not sure if regularly, but I'm a little busy, still a little busy because of my brother's marriage. You know my brother, right? Because of that, I might be, you know, a little bit up or down in uploading the videos, but definitely I'm gonna upload more videos. I've got a lot of videos in stock to upload. As far as the videos on this channel is concerned, it's mostly gonna be motor vlogs. I'm not sure if I'm comfortable with vlogging or anything, and if I'm not that okay as I was earlier, like for what people subscribed my channel, I am really sorry. I'm just trying to get over there slowly, steady, and I'll just eventually get there. I'll get my editing game up. I'm gonna edit kick-ass videos. I just request you to give me time and just, you know, get on with it. I hopefully will edit good videos one day and make my mother proud, very proud. Along with YouTube, so I'm also gonna be regular on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Snapchat and Facebook, obviously. So yes, these three things, if anyone is unaware of the of the, what do you call those handles, yes, of my Instagram and Snapchat handles, please do feel free to check out the description, or the links, sorry, or the handles will be available on the screen right now. So you can find me on social media platforms, other social media platforms. I'll just try to be as good as other motor vloggers now. There are a lot of motor vloggers now, like bhar ke, tol ke. So yes, any questions, anything you want to ask, anything you want to say, please do feel free to comment down below. Baji, very wrong. Okay guys, chalta hu main. It's been quite a long video and I need to go because it's too hot. So I'll see you in the next video probably, which is gonna be uploaded, I don't know when. I'll try to make it as soon as possible, but definitely before next week. I'm not gonna take 7 days to upload one freaking video. At least I'll try not to. I'm sorry. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. वो bell वाला जो भी हरकतें करते हैं वो भी कर देना. पता नहीं क्या notifications होता है. But yes, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and have a good day.